Hi, I'm Damien, and this is Damien Does It. Hey guys, I'm coming to you from the DDI workshop where today we're going to do an unboxing on this 1" by 30" belt sander from Central Machinery. You can pick one of these up from Harbor Freight for right around $50. Let's get into it. Alright, so we got, pop this bad boy open. We got some kind of little armature handle. Looks like a little tightening handle for something. I guess we'll have to read the instructions. And we have the instructions. We got a top piece of styrofoam. Get this out of here. Alright, then inside looks like we got the sander machine. We have our little table piece of that little arm at the beginning is probably to fasten or to tighten this little table guy here. And then we have what looks like the sander itself. So let's pop this out of the box here. Nothing else in the box, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. Okay, let's stand her up here. All right, so it looks like we've got the unit and we've got the power cord. We've got the small table that attaches in the front. So we'll go ahead and figure out how to get this guy on here. Cool. All right, so it looks like if you want to change the angle of the bed, you loosen this and you can change the angle like that. But we want to keep it at 90 degrees for now. So there we go. Let's go ahead and plug it in and try turning it on. Let's see how loud it is and let's see how it works. All right, so they got a really annoying twist tie around the power cord here that we're gonna go ahead and unwind here. All right, so it's plugged in and we're gonna turn it on and see how loud it is. All right, yeah, it's pretty loud. It's pretty loud. Definitely not going to be carrying on any conversations. I'm definitely not going to be able to talk into the microphone while that thing's running. I'll stop talking and I'll get something on there and try sanding it and we'll see how it goes. And remember to always wear your safety glasses and gloves, proper protective equipment. So I have this old axle from a lawnmower and we'll just give it a little All right, so as you can see, that worked pretty well. You know, I probably could have done a better job, but just to see how it worked out, yeah, that looks like it'll work out nicely. I mean, I guess this is a pretty quick one. Not a lot to it. I think this is how you tighten and loosen the, yeah, that's the tightening mechanism over here for the belt. You twist, tighten it towards you to tighten the belt, and you turn it the other way to loosen it. So it looks like they've made changing the belts really easy on this. All you have to do is loosen this top thumb screw, and this side cover comes off. You would release the pressure on the belt here, and then you can take the belt right off. And there's a cutout inside of the table, so you can just get the belt right out right there. That'll make switching grits and changing out belts whenever they become damaged very, very easy. This is a short one. There's really not a lot to go over on this one. So it appears to work great, and we'll see how it holds up for my medium duty use here in the workshop. And that's it. Thank you for watching.